half of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/3 cup of salt. It could be kosher salt because it's better if you use kosher salt because it's faster, but we're using normal salt.
You could use any kind of salt you want.
Also, you need 3 cups of ice, and if you want to add flavor, you could use vanilla extract.
And you need 2 Ziploc bags. 1 small and 1 big.
Yep.
So let's get started into this video.
Yeah.
We're going to add the milk and the sugar into the smaller bag. So, can you hold it? Hold it right there. So this is super easy. You can make it at home whenever you want some ice cream. And make sure there's no leaks into the bag before you even add the milk. Let's add all the sugar. So now that we added the sugar,
Let's make sure we zip it up and make sure there's no leaks at all, right?
yeah. Now make sure take out the air of the Ziploc bag. Okay. Mix this up, and you're going to want to mix it up with your hands with the sugar. Okay, now we did that. We're going to use. Okay, now we're going to use this big Ziploc bag for the ice and the salt.
So, here's our ice.
Well, let's put the salt in first.
Yeah.
It's a lot of salt.
Yeah, that is a lot of salt, right?
And it makes such a satisfying noise, right? Now we're going to pour 3 cups of ice into the Ziploc bag.
That's so funny.
So we got the 3 cups of ice into the Ziploc bag. Now we're going to pour the Ziploc bag into the bigger Ziploc bag. But the smaller Ziploc bag has to be sealed. We're just going to put it in. Open it up. Okay, now.
So make sure there's no air in here, no air at all.
It's hard to get all the air out because there's so much stuff. And it's so cold on the bottom.
So now,
Seal it tight.
make sure no rips at all. So guys, now we're gonna mix this stuff. Mix the ice cream in the bag. So you want to mix it for 7 to 10 minutes, all right? Because that's how much it should take to mix completely. Also, if you want, you could take your hand and kind of grab both of them at the same time, and then just shake as fast as you can.
Well, since this is really cold, I think we're going to need a towel.
Man, I'm getting tired. It's been 5 minutes.
I'm getting tired.
7 minutes?
And now it turned into ice cream. But we're going to wait 2 more minutes to see if it makes it even more icy and creamy.
Guys, now we're gonna pour it into a bowl.
The ice cream looks so cool.
Yeah. Guys, look at the ice cream now.
It's so cool.
So guys, the science behind this is that the salt lowers the melting point of the ice, which pulls all the heat away from the milk, which makes the milk freeze. What does that mean? Well, that means the salt makes the ice colder, and then the ice makes the milk freeze. And then it becomes ice cream. Whoa, it looks so cool now, right?
And you could add any toppings you want. I'm gonna add gonna add some whipped cream because who wouldn't like whipped cream on their ice cream? And you can make different flavors with your ice cream. It is so cool how you can make ice cream in a bag by just making with milk.
Yeah, I know, right?
I know. The salt makes the ice cooler. That's how it becomes ice cream. And it's so cool how it does it from just milk. Is that so cool?
Yeah. Yum!
Sweet.
That's so tasty, even with the whipped cream. It tastes so much like ice cream. And now I feel much nicer.